So guys, I've just moved into a new studio and I was looking for a water purifier for my kitchen. Now, I wanted a solution that was portable, lightweight, it looked good, and did zero water wastage because that was really important to me. I also wanted the flexibility of placing it anywhere, whether it's on the counter, whether it's above the wash basin, or under the sink. I just wanted to be, flexible with that. Now, I went around looking and there were actually very few options that met all of these needs that I had. I think people are really used to looking at these big water purifiers that come with a tank. But for me, it became tough because I just wasn't able to find something compact and slim, yet giving me the efficiency and output of a traditional conventional water purifier. And after all my research, I finally came across a new water purifier brand called Cuckoo, which actually met all my needs. Firstly, it's extremely thin and lightweight, and overall form factor is actually very flexible. Even if you look around the device, the design, it all feels really premium, and I really like the slim and compact size that it has. So this got me really interested, and I learned something new while I was doing my research on this product, is that most other water purifiers that you know of are RO based, right? And they have some sort of UV filtration. So they use ultraviolet radiation to reduce the effect of harmful bacteria and viruses. But it's not a filter. That is, it does not technically remove it. It just uses UV light to alter the DNA of, the bacteria and the viruses so that they don't grow and duplicate, and thereby making them ineffective. However, what I really found interesting with the Cuckoo water purifier was that it contains a nanopositive membrane, which quite literally eliminates 99.99% of bacteria and viruses along with heavy metals, algae, fungi, but still preserving the good minerals. If you look inside, there is the sediment filter, which simply removes impurities like rust, deposits, particles, etc. And then there is a natural filter, which does the job of adding minerals to your water and makes the water alkaline, which has its own numerous health benefits. And right after that, you have the nanopositive filter that removes harmful substances and heavy metals. In short, you get very pure water. A word of caution though, this water purifier is best suited for water that has a TDS value of less than 500. In simple words, if you are getting your water from the MCD supply, then it's all good because it already has a pretty low TDS value. But if that's not the case, I suggest you get the TDS checked and then buy a purifier that's best suited for that. Now, another thing I really liked and felt comforting about the Cuckoo water purifier was the inbuilt sterilization system. So you know how salts and impurities can deposit within the system, for example in the pipes and tips of the faucet? With a press of a button, the entire system generates steam within the body and cleanses itself. It gets rid of those deposits and keeps the unit clean from the inside. And this process, it just takes about 3 minutes and you just have to do it once a week. Also, this purifier is tankless, so it doesn't really need any storage since you get direct flow. And depending on how much water you need, you can use these buttons on the top to set the quantity of water required. If you want a non-stop supply, you can just set it to continuous mode and it will work just as well. Even in terms of maintenance, the purifier scores a brownie point there too. The purifier itself will notify you which filter needs a change. And it does so using voice, and the respective LED will light up. Then, firstly, you need to change the sediment filter once every 6 months and the nanopositive filter just once a year. Oh, and you can just order it on their website and they will send you the filter through courier. And here's the best part. You can replace the filters yourself and it's super easy. So you don't even have to schedule a visit by a technician or anything. I mean, you can still do that, but you don't have to wait. And one more thing I'd like to highlight is the optional output at the back. And that allows for dispensing water even without electricity. So even if you don't have electricity, just connect a tap to it and it will dispense water just like that. So overall, I felt it was quite a unique system in itself. The fact it has a nanomembrane to eliminate bacteria and viruses, easy to place anywhere in the kitchen, sterilization and auto cleansing, direct flow of water, and super easy maintenance, I thought it was an overall really good package.